Let us solve this equation involving logarithm. You can see this one have base 3, this one is 3, but here it equals to 2. It doesn't even have log. To solve this equation, you try to make this side look like this side. How can you do that? By improvising log to base 3 here. If not, you hook. So it will be written as this one now. Can you see it there? So this one is just like 1 because log and number are the same, then it equals 1. If you like, you can say log 5 to base 5, log 9 to base 9. But we choose 3 because we want it to look like this one. Yes, I only write this one here because we just apply the law of logarithm. So 2 log this can be written as this. Also, going further, we have 4x minus plus 1. It's just like log 9. This is how to follow the algorithm step by step so that you don't make mistake. So this one now could be written as log 4x plus 1 all over 3x minus 5, which will be equals to log 9 to base 3. So this log and log now go. So we have here will be 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 5. All will be equals to 9. So we are now gotten the equation that is linear and is simpler. So we now cross multiply so you can find x. So from here, you can see that 9 into, you are multiplying now, 3x minus 5, which will be equals to 4x plus 1. Let's continue. So you now remove this bracket here. Here you have 27x minus 45, which will be equals to 4x plus 1. So here you have 27x minus 4x, because it's going to start just like it will be equals to 1 plus 45. So this one will give you 26x equals to 46. You're looking for x. Divide by the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x? 26. So this one over 26. This one over 26. This will go. So x will be equals to 46 minus 26. Of course, if you divide it here, you get x will be equal to 2. And that is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you do, please share this video. Bye.